Welcome to our channel. Today we delve into the world of cutting-edge drone tech solutions. In the last decade, drone technology has become a revolutionary force in various sectors, from logistics to agriculture, mapping, and disaster management. This remarkable innovation has brought about a significant transformation in how we approach many tasks in our daily lives. Drone technology is constantly evolving, and advancements are being made in leaps and bounds. We're seeing improvements in flight time and endurance thanks to developments in materials, batteries, and power management. Drones are becoming smarter and more autonomous, with artificial intelligence enabling autonomous navigation and object recognition. Safety has also been enhanced with the introduction of advanced collision avoidance technologies. So strap in as we take a flight into the future, exploring the fascinating world of cutting-edge drone tech solutions. Before we proceed, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your tech-loving friends. To appreciate the strides in drone tech, let's spotlight TESAUR Drones, a drone tech powerhouse. Born in the imaginative minds of Himanshu Pandey and Kishan Tiwari back in 2019, TESAUR Drones has been a beacon of innovation in the drone technology and logistics sectors. This brainchild of their creative genius is firmly rooted in the intellectually fertile grounds of IIT Delhi, one of the premier tech institutions of India. In a world where the demand for quick and efficient logistics solutions is skyrocketing, TESAUR Drones has been a game changer. With their subsidiary, Drone Tech Unveiled, they have successfully completed over 8,204 package deliveries, revolutionizing the face of logistical operations. Imagine thousands of packages delivered, not by a human, but by a drone, quietly zipping through the sky. But what truly sets TESAUR Drones apart is their unwavering commitment to safety and compliance. They have developed proprietary software tools that ensure safe drone tracking. As we speak, they are engaging with aviation authorities, implementing security solutions, and setting new standards in drone safety. Innovation is not a one-time thing for TESAUR Drones. It is a continuous process. Their research in battery technology and drone applications is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. They are at the forefront of advancements in materials, batteries, propulsion systems, power management, and software, all aimed at improving drone flight time and endurance. Artificial intelligence is another sphere where TESAUR Drones is making significant strides. By making drones smarter and more autonomous, they are enabling autonomous navigation, object recognition, and path planning. Consider this: drones that can recognize objects and plan their own paths. It's not science fiction, it's the reality that TESAUR Drones is creating. TESAUR Drones exemplifies the potential of drone tech, but what makes these advancements possible? Let's unpack the technology that's revolutionizing drones. Now imagine a world where packages are delivered to your doorstep by a buzzing drone, or a farmer can monitor crop health without stepping foot into the field. This is no longer a distant dream, but a reality, thanks to the rapid advancements in drone technology. A key factor in this evolution is the development of materials and batteries. Lighter, stronger materials are allowing drones to fly higher and faster while reducing energy consumption. In the realm of power, enhanced batteries and innovative propulsion systems are drastically improving drone flight time and endurance. It's not just about the hardware, though. Software upgrades and the integration of alternative energy sources are also playing a crucial role, enabling drones to better manage power and increase their efficiency. But what about the brains behind the operation? Enter artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is making drones smarter and more autonomous, providing capabilities like autonomous navigation, object recognition, and path planning. Imagine a drone that can independently decide its flight path, identify obstacles, and adjust its route accordingly. That's the power of AI in drones. It's not just about making drones smarter, though. AI is also enabling industrial inspections, allowing drones to identify potential issues and anomalies that might be missed by the human eye. This not only improves efficiency, but also significantly reduces the risk of accidents. So, we've talked about the physical and intellectual aspects of drones, but what about their ability to communicate? With advancements in 5G technology, drones are now able to transmit and receive data at higher rates, with low latency and improved reliability. This means they can share real-time information, enhancing their functionality and usability in various applications. These technologies are impressive, but how do they translate to real-world applications? The practical applications of drones are as vast as they are impactful. These high-flying devices are revolutionizing various sectors, creating a synergy of technology and practicality that's hard to ignore. Let's delve into some of these applications. In the realm of logistics, drones are emerging as game changers. They are streamlining last-mile delivery, making it faster, more efficient, and less expensive. Imagine a world where your online orders are dropped off at your doorstep by a drone. That's not a distant dream, but a fast-approaching reality. Drones are reducing costs by eliminating the need for extensive manpower and complex delivery routes, delivering packages directly to the customer's location. In the agricultural sector, drones are lending a helping hand to farmers. They monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and aid in pest control. This allows for more precise farming methods, reducing waste and improving crop yields. It's a new era of farming where technology meets tradition. Surveying and mapping have also been transformed by drone technology. Drones can cover large areas in a short amount of time, providing accurate and detailed images. This has applications in sectors such as construction, where detailed site maps are vital. In the face of disasters, drones are proving to be invaluable allies. They can access areas that are difficult or dangerous for humans to reach, providing vital information for disaster management efforts. Whether it's assessing the damage from a wildfire or searching for survivors in a flood, drones are often the first responders. Energy infrastructure inspection is another area where drones are making their mark. They can inspect power lines, wind turbines, and other structures, identifying potential issues before they become major problems. This not only improves efficiency, but also enhances safety. As we've seen, drones are more than just flying machines. They're shaping our future. So, what does the future hold for drone technology? As we look ahead, there is no doubt that advancements in drone technology will continue to unfold at a rapid pace. Central to these advancements will be the integration of advanced GPS and GNSS technology, which will enhance the precision and reliability of drone navigation. No longer will drones be limited by the constraints of conventional navigational systems. With advanced GPS and GNSS technology, drones will be equipped to navigate complex terrains and environments with unparalleled accuracy. And let's not forget about the transformative potential of 5G connectivity. With its higher data rates, low latency, and improved reliability, 5G is set to revolutionize drone data transmission and reception. This will enhance the efficiency of drone operations, enabling real-time data sharing and analysis, and opening up new possibilities for drone usage in sectors like logistics and emergency response. Another notable development on the horizon is the incorporation of collision avoidance technologies, such as LiDAR, radar, and computer vision. These technologies will significantly improve the safety and reliability of drones, enabling them to detect obstacles and adjust their flight paths accordingly. This will make drones more robust and versatile, capable of operating in a wider range of environments and conditions. And finally, we can't talk about the future of drone technology without mentioning the role of virtual reality. VR is set to play a pivotal role in training drone pilots, offering a safe, immersive, and highly effective way to develop and refine piloting skills. By simulating real-world conditions and scenarios, VR will provide pilots with the hands-on experience they need to operate drones with confidence and precision. The future of drone tech is exciting, and we can't wait to see what's next. As we wrap up our exploration of cutting-edge drone tech solutions, it's clear that drone technology is more than just flying gadgets. From TSAW drones' dedication to safety and compliance, to the game-changing advancements in materials, batteries, propulsion systems, and software, this technology is revolutionizing various sectors. Artificial intelligence is making drones smarter and more autonomous, bolstering capabilities like autonomous navigation and object recognition. Advanced GPS and 5G connectivity are enhancing drone data transmission and navigation, while collision avoidance technologies are improving reliability and safety. Moreover, the real-world applications of drones are vast and impactful. Whether it's streamlining last-mile delivery and logistics, monitoring crop health in agriculture, or aiding in disaster management, drones are promising increased efficiency and improved outcomes. The future of drone technology is indeed exciting, with continuous innovation and research in battery technology, alternative energy sources, and drone applications. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of drone tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned for more tech insights on our channel.